Welcome back to BodyMaitre Podcast, the space where we explore the inner worlds of healing, self-discovery, and the BodyMaitre system. Each episode, we look at real case studies and life challenges using the BodyMaitre 4 Bodies approach to uncover hidden blocks, interferences, and programming that may be holding us back. Today's topic is one many of us can relate to. I used to manifest and attract things effortlessly, but lately it feels more difficult. Could there be blocks within me? Let's dive in. Using the BodyMaitre 4 Bodies Dowsing Charts, here's what was revealed. Spiritual body, lower forces, collective influences. This suggests that external energies or group consciousness fields are influencing the spiritual body, creating a pull away from higher alignment. Mental body, absent-mindedness. The mind is scattered, unfocused, or easily distracted, weakening the mental clarity needed for manifestation. Emotional body, restricted. Emotions feel tight, suppressed, or held back, blocking the natural flow of joy and openness that fuels attraction. Physical body, fear of being sabotaged. On the physical level, there is an underlying fear that efforts will be disrupted or undermined, which creates hesitation in taking action. So what does this mean for manifestation? When you once attracted easily, your 4 bodies were in greater harmony. Now, each body carries an element that creates resistance. Spiritually, external influences dilute your connection to higher guidance. Mentally, absent-mindedness programming scatters intention, making it harder to hold a clear focus. Emotionally, restriction feeling suppresses the very energy needed to magnetize desires. Physically, the fear of sabotage or fear of being undermined by others keeps you from fully stepping forward with confidence. Together, these elements create an energetic push and pull. Part of you wants to manifest, but another part is holding back in fear, doubt, or restriction. To restore flow and alignment, here are some supportive practices. Spiritual body. Clear lower force influences through prayer, calling in angels, or pendulum clearing work such as SRT or BodyMaitre to reset spiritual alignment. Mental body. Clear absent-mindedness programming and replacing with mindfulness programming. Practice mindfulness or simple focus exercises. Even 5 minutes of intentional stillness can train the mind to stay present. Emotional body. Clear the restricted feeling and replace with freedom feeling. Allow emotions to move freely. Gentle practices like journaling, breath work, or sound healing can help release restrictions and open the heart again. Physical body. Address and clear the fear of being sabotaged or undermined and replace with trusting in your own abilities and the support of others. Also practice grounding exercise. Affirm your safety. Take small, confident actions daily and reinforce the belief that the universe supports your steps. So yes, blocks can appear even when manifestation once felt effortless. These blocks aren't punishments. They're simply signals from your 4 bodies, showing where balance and healing are needed. By clearing external influences, regaining focus, opening your emotions, and overcoming the fear of sabotage, you can return to your natural state of ease in attracting what you desire. Thank you for listening today. I encourage you to reflect. Which of your 4 bodies might be holding back your manifestations right now? Remember, your higher self and angels are always here to guide you. Until next time, keep exploring your inner world with curiosity and compassion.